Luco, I still have a few more functions that I think are going to help you analyze your data. You ready to look at them?
I'm ready.
We're back on the hiring data sheet, and we have that length of service that we calculated in another lesson. And you notice we have lots of decimal places, which we certainly don't need to leave those there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the round function to actually round that number to, what do you want? 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places?
1 is fine.
1 decimal place. Click in F2. Let's put in the round function. And it just has 2 arguments. So first of all, click in cell D2 to tell it the cell, comma, and you just tell it how many decimals you want, and we'll just do 1.
That's much easier to read.
So just click on that cell, let's copy it down. And you'll notice the next one down, 3.561, is now 3.6, so it follows standard rounding principles.
Now we could have just formatted column D, right?
That's correct. I want to show you the difference between formatting it and actually changing the number. So why don't you select column D from D2 down to the bottom, and let's just go to your number group, and let's set that for just 1 decimal place. I would probably just change it to number, and then drop that down to 1 decimal place.
And it looks exactly the same.
That's right. The difference is that in column D, when you just format it, it didn't change the actual numbers. When we rounded it, it changed the underlying number. So for example, the ones that both say 3.6, one is 3.6, one is 3.5611, etc. Let me prove it to you. Go to the bottom of column D, and let's say that we want to add up the total years of service. So just click there in row 44 and add an auto sum.
Now I'm seeing the same numbers here.
That's right, but it's not adding up that column. Go ahead and click in that cell in F44. And what it did is it just rounded what you put in D44 because that's the pattern for the column. Let's delete that and now put in a sum for that column.
Oh, it's slightly different.
It is. Sometimes it'll be just a minor difference, other times it'll be a bigger one, but please remember that formatting doesn't change the underlying number, rounding does.
Well, details matter because these numbers could represent something much bigger.
Exactly.